Judas, Judas, Judas.
For the clips I used these video, same dance music, but different events and outfit to do this transition. First, add the dance practice that you screen recorded. Mute all clips, then set the format to 9:16, then pinch the clip at the middle to zoom in. Now, find the scene you want to have transition, then split it and adjust that clip to 15.3 seconds duration. Now, click plus add audio, then choose the audio need. Now, add the concert video clip that we screen recorded or save. Find the scene that next to the first clip to connect to clips. Split it, then delete it clips we don't need. Change the speed of it 0.3x and adjust the iteration to 0.6 second. Look if the two clips is smooth. If not, do an adjustment. Now we will add keyframe for the focus on every side effect. When you hear the sound starting to say Judas add to keyframes, then move the clip on second keyframe.
Judas. Judas, Judas,
Also add to keyframes in the end of the clip like this, the zoom at the end. Look if the two clips are connecting smooth. Now, click the second clip, then add animation in Shake 1. Now add 10 slow-mo video clips. Here's the duration list. Now for the flicker effect, go to Effect Party Color Glitch, put it below the clip with 0.8 second duration, then adjust effect duration like the clip. Copy it, then put the copy below the next 0.8 second duration. Go back at the first 0.8 second, then add again Effect Party Black Flash, then do the same thing did at the first effect. Copy the to effect and put it at the last 3 clips. Export it. Thank you for watching.